Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how you can create a unique visual. So I'll have to go to the app source and import this particular visual. So I'll go to my app source, and this is called the Infographic Visual. I've shown this to you earlier, but there's something new I learned in this. So I thought I'll show it to you guys. So infographic, where is it? So yeah, this is my infographic designer. So if you've seen one of my previous videos, you would have seen this visual. So I'll just import the data. Give me a second. Supershow one second, not this one. Yeah, this one. Supershow complete. And as soon as I load my data, I will. This is the preview. I'll load it, and I'll directly go on my infographic visual. And yes, my data has been loaded. Infographic visual. I can't expand this. I want to see my sales according to my region. I'm sorry. Yeah, you have to click inside the visual. Remember that always. Sales and my region. So this is the infographic visual. Now you have this edit option over here. See the edit mark? Let me minimize this. And this too. So you see the edit mark, I'll click on edit, and now I don't want this shape. So this is the shape that I have right now. I don't want this. I'll delete this. I will click on this symbol over here, that the symbol for different shapes. I have a couple of shapes I can copy from here, or I can upload also. So I want to upload something, and I want to maybe upload, one second, I just need to check where it is. Just give me a second. So it's here only. I can't see it. All files. Yeah, I can see it now. Cloud computing. This is just a. So yeah, this is the logo I want. Okay, so now you see this is what we have. Now you have a couple of options over here. So multiple units, I can turn that on. I can have a different row count. I can have a units count, and then I make it 3. I'll have it this way. I can have a row count as well. That won't look too good. I can have it this way, but then this is too broad, so I'll make this 1. So you see, you have a lot of options too. You have a lot of ways you can play with this. You can make this 2 as well. I can make this 3 as well. So you see, this is something unique that you can do with Power BI, and you have a lot of other options. When you go in layout, you can work on spacing, your coloring, and all that stuff. So it's quite simple to do, and all you have to do now is go to the focus mode so that you can see the entire visual. Close this, and this is how you create an infographic visual, and you upload your own icon so that you can have that instead of the bar. So thank you. I hope you learned something new.